What's up, everybody? My name is Ralph Johnson, and welcome to another episode of Ralph Johnson Photography. Okay, guys, I am here with Hayley Johnston. She's going to be my model today. If you want to check stuff of hers out, you can check out the sociableceliac.com.
Yep.
.com, and she's got.
I think it's just sociableceliac.com and at sociableceliac on all social media.
Okay, she's. Describe what that stuff is.
So I have a gluten-free lifestyle blog where I talk about life living with a chronic illness. Check the description box for links.
There you go, that thing. But what we're doing today is portrait photography. I got together with Hayley, and we're going to do some new portraits of her for her blog, for her LinkedIn page, whatever she wants to use them for. And I decided I'd bring 5 tips with you guys. First thing, my first tip is, she's got glasses, so we're going to have to figure out a way to take care of that, and my way to take care of that is use a polarizing filter. Okay? The reason why is because you can take the glare out of glasses, out of lakes, make the sky bluer, if we had a blue sky today, with a polarizing filter. So that's what I'm doing there. Also, we're going to be using 3 different lenses with Hayley today. We're going to be using the 50mm 1.8, which is everybody's favorite because of the fact that the 50mm is that classic ideal portrait, from here to here, that everyone likes to have. But I'm also going to switch it up a little bit too. We're going to use the 24mm, which is on there right now, and then the 40mm also. Both of them are f2.8, and they're both Canon lenses, and they both work fantastic. Why am I only using prime lenses? Well, you get a sharper focus with prime lenses for the most part. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be going on Hayley's level. So if she's standing, I'm going to go ahead and just say, I'm going to go ahead and get, eye level with her with the camera. I'm not going to be shooting too high or too low because it's going to give her different angles and stuff like that. That necessarily may not be more flattering than just dead on. And I'll show you both them angles too. So.
This angle.
There you go, that angle. That angle and stuff like that. Also, we're going to be, like I said, shooting different angles, using the polarizing filter to get rid of the glare, taking more than just one photo by itself. Is that going to ring anymore?
No, because it's one.
Okay. Nope. Okay. Taking more than one photo just by itself, like let's say I got a really good one of her and everything, and I'm going to keep on taking a few more for the simple reason she might have blinked in that or something, and I just didn't notice it in the camera when it happened. So there's my third tip. Go ahead, take multiple shots of the same image. Granted, you're always going to be moving a little bit by breathing and stuff like that, but other than that, you're going to go ahead and get that.
Candid.
Oh yeah, shoot candids and everything. When she's not expecting it, go ahead, take a few photos and everything for the simple reason some of them turn out the best. Some of them are ones that the customer will like the most also. And my final tip is, care to guess? No? Okay. Take full body shots of her, take, mid shots. Don't just take the typical portrait shot of the people. Take full bodies and stuff like that for the simple reason, some of them may be better. I'm like, for example, one of the best iconic images that's out there is of the Beatles on Abbey Road walking across it. So it's a full body shot of them walking in the crosswalk at Abbey Road. So go ahead, take multiple shots of different, different lengths of the person. So try to get, don't. If it's just a portrait shot and everything, go ahead and you can isolate that, but don't try to isolate any other part of the body unless their head's in it too. So other than that, something like this could work well, but something of just the feet wouldn't work well for a portrait shot. So above all though, have fun with it. Have fun with the client and stuff like that. In this case, Hayley, she's going to be a fantastic model, I think. And, we're going to get to this. Okay?
Let's do it.
So.